because the rules ought to be written to encourage people to save instead of discouraging them.
The reforms we're proposing today, we seek to put in place rules that will allow our markets to promote innovation while discouraging abuse. Last thing I'll say, because we've got a lot of young people here, I know that sometimes things feel discouraging.
Third, we're redoubling our efforts to make sure that regulations are encouraging trade and job creation, not discouraging trade and job creation.
And Ken, you'll recall it was a little discouraging because basically everybody else who lived there was 20 or 20. Even if it got solved eventually or ultimately, it'd be pretty discouraging on people. And over time, you can have a negative feedback where it becomes harder and harder for folks to get back in the game because they're just getting so many discouraging messages.
This is essential because the blockade remains in force and because it contains discouraging elements and intimidating effects and extraterritorial outreach.